Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amaniel, and today we're making, get this, pheasant tacos. Now this is all part of our series from field to plate, and well, I went pheasant hunting. And so I'm gonna jump right into it and roll that footage.
Got him, get him! Nice, got him!
Good job.
Wow, that was an amazing hunt. And on top of that hunt, we also learned how to field dress a pheasant. So with our field dress pheasant and 2 other pheasants, we're gonna make an amazing dish. We're gonna make those pheasant tacos. So to actually get the ingredients for this pheasant tacos, head over to our website, link in the bio. So what we'll need are 2 to 4 pheasants, lower quarters, 2 quarts of turkey or chicken stock, 1 orange slice, 1 small onion slice, 3 cloves garlic smash, 2 teaspoons of dry thyme, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaves, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, salt to taste, and about 5 tablespoons of lard or olive oil for grilling. So the first thing we're gonna do is, I already got my first quart of stock in there, and I'm using chicken stock. And so we're just gonna add all our other condiments into it. So I'm gonna take my oranges, I'm just gonna squeeze them. All the juices fall in there. Put all the ingredients in. All right, the specialty here is my good old friend, Old Bay. Old Bay goes with pretty much everything. Steak, why not? Chicken, for sure. Pheasants, okay. So we're just gonna put a little bit of Old Bay in there. Good. Add a little bit of salt for taste.
So bad.
Kobe. And then we're just gonna stir it all up in there. Stir, stir, stir. Take our legs. Add some more broth into that, and we want enough broth to cover it. So if you come up short, just add some water.
Three hours later.
All right, guys. So our meat's been cooking for 3 hours. It's well done. It's good and ready to go. We'll go ahead and start the shredding process. Look at that. Oh, the flavor. Yeah, it's tender. Oh yeah, this is good. So I'm just gonna shred it off into smaller pieces. Get away from the bone as much as I can. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on a skewered here, or griddle. Hang it on there. I like my meat to be a little bit, crisp. So while that's going, actually, this onion's going too. This far side over here. So our meat is almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and add a shell, taco shell, on here. A little oil on that. top of it. Alright, so the moment is finally here. Taco is done. The onions are added to it. Throwing in some cheese. Got a 3-blended cheese going on there. And let's add some old original taco sauce. It's so good. It's moist, it's juice. This is amazing. So I'm gonna go enjoy this with my friends and family members. And I hope you guys also enjoy with your friends and family as well. Have a good holidays. The holidays are coming up and coming near. Also, do me a favor. Please do like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. It really supports the channel, helps us grow, and helps me continue making good content like this. If you guys really did like this, please let me know. Sound off down below in the comment section. I'll be in there. You guys have a great one, alright? Later.